How to connect wired headphones to OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To connect wired headphones to OnePlus, you will need connector. If you connect it through connector, you'll find this kind of screen pop up on top. You'll find headphones option. As you can see, if I connect, it will show this kind of thing. If you remove it, the headphone mark will go. You will need this kind of connector as shown in screen. You need to attach it to your charging port and then add your wired headphones to connector and connect it. You'll find this in type C. You will need connector which is type C and not any other option. That's how you connect wired headphones to OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off.